Are you frustrated because CapCut isn't installing on your PC? Here are some possible reasons you may not be aware of. Take note of the reasons and apply the appropriate fixes. The first reason is that your PC system is incompatible with CapCut. The minimum system requirement for PC is Windows 10, 64-bit. So, if your PC is running on Windows 7 or 8, switch to a computer running on Windows 10. CapCut won't install on any system older than Windows 10. The second reason CapCut won't install is that your PC lacks the necessary storage space or RAM. CapCut needs at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 GB of free storage space for installation. If you have sufficient RAM, try clearing as much storage space as possible before installing CapCut. To be on the safe side, have at least 5 GB of free hard disk space before proceeding with installation. The third reason why you can't install CapCut is because of corrupted or outdated app data. If you had previously installed CapCut and didn't uninstall it properly, the app data may be corrupted. Or the new installation could be the cause of the problem. Make sure you have fully uninstalled CapCut. Here are the steps on how to do it. Go to Settings, Apps and Features. Find CapCut in the list and click on it. Then click on Uninstall if the option is available. You may also want to use a dedicated uninstaller program which removes leftover files after uninstallation is complete. Once done, try reinstalling CapCut. Your antivirus software may be blocking CapCut installation without you knowing it. So, disable your antivirus software temporarily before installing CapCut. Turn it back on after installation is complete and CapCut is working fine. The CapCut installer you're using may be corrupt. Re-download the installer and delete the old one before proceeding with the installation. Ensure you have a fast and stable internet connection so that download isn't interrupted. If you still can't successfully install CapCut and need to edit a video, try the online version of the program at CapCut.com. The online version will bypass any computer system problems, preventing the installation of CapCut. We hope any of the fixes above will help you solve the CapCut installation problem.
Simply click the link below to learn more.